What just happened? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. My skin has never felt like this before. What is this? Like, what? I'm kind of freaking out because like, what did I just experience? Welcome back. I'm Shannon Stallworth, and this is my place, a space where I, an aspiring actress, bring you along on my journey to discovering the hidden gems that the acting and beauty world have to offer. Tonight, I am absolutely over the moon to share with you my nighttime skincare routine. You might remember my previous video, my glass skincare routine. That was my morning routine, mainly featuring peach slices. But if you're no stranger to this space, then you'll know that I am a huge fan of Alicia Yoon, and I have been itching to try Peach Slice's pricier sibling company, Peach and Lily. I have been eagerly awaiting this moment for what feels like an eternity. And finally, the time has come to dive into the infamous Peach and Lily Glass Skin Discovery Kit. So I've actually been holding off on my skincare just for you guys, keeping this bad boy sealed and on my shelf for the past 2 or 3 weeks. I mean, I was even running low on cleanser and resorted to using the cleanser samples that I took from the dermatologist. Plus, it's been a month since I ran out of serum and my skin hasn't been the same since. So I couldn't be more excited to try Peach and Lily's Glass Skin Discovery Kit, especially since they have a serum in here. Ooh, and an essence. So I picked this up at Ulta, and it claims that the value is $65 and they were selling it for $39. I don't know, I feel like they just be saying that, y'all. I'm not gonna lie, but the products are very expensive for Peach and Lily. That's why for like a year, it feels like I've been waiting like a year. I've just been using the cheaper version of this brand, Peach Slices. But yeah, I picked this up at Ulta, and what I love about this kit already is the fact that it comes in 4 travel-sized products. Just for the people who, instead of like buying the full version, would rather just try the product out before you spend all this money on the full version. So yeah, I just thought that was cool. Let's just get into this. All right, I'm super excited. Well, let's talk about these products, right? So it comes with a step 1, step 2, step 3, and a step 4. The box says, achieve your glass skin goals in 4 easy steps. Your complete Korean beauty routine for poreless, luminous, translucent looking skin. Ooh la la. Step 1. Power Calm Hydrating Cleanser. Dissolve impurities and cleanse thoroughly down to pores while hydrating skin with its low, gentle cleanser. Y'all know my little sexy voiceover voice was good. Stop playing. Step 2. Wild Dew Treatment Essence. Tone and drench skin with hydration for radiant, dewy skin. Pure lotus and bamboo extract leaves skin looking brighter and calmer. Step 3. Glass Skin Refining Serum. Crystal clear glass skin is yours thanks to peach extract, peptides, niacinamide, and hyaluronic acid. You can have poreless, luminous, and translucent looking skin. Step 4. Matcha Pudding Antioxidant Cream. Your superhero cream, deeply moisturizing without sitting heavy on the skin. A huge blast of antioxidants and brighteners thanks to matcha and niacinamide. So, I don't know why I'm this excited. I have been waiting. Like I said, I feel like it's been a year. I remember going and like every time I would go and refill on like my Peach Slices cleanser or my Peach Slices moisturizer or my Peach Slices serum, I would, just for shits and gigs, go to the Peach and Lily like luxurious aisle in Ulta, and I would just like drool over it and be like, next time, baby. Like I would come every time I would like skim through, and I would always come over and be like, can we help you? Like, no, not anything in this aisle. You can help me in the cheap drugstore aisle. You know how like Sephora and Ulta have like the luxurious aisle, and then they have like the Maybelline and Revlon aisle. I swear that was me. I swear that was me. I don't know why I was going and looking. I was just making myself feel worse. Like, really, I really tried to get this specific kit for like 2 months. But every time I went, the kit was like, they didn't have any more. Somebody had already taken them. So I'm super excited that I was able to catch it. I think I actually took the last one last time. So without further ado, let's unveil it. Let's unveil it. I don't know. I feel like, okay, so yeah, let's just do this. So, ooh la la. We're just gonna plop that in and act like, we're just gonna plop that back in and act like that never happened. Okay? So, ooh. Ooh la la. Ooh la la. Ooh. We're done showing it off. Ooh, but I'm loving it already, people. Look at this. Look at this. Ooh, that's so perfect. So perfect. So perv. Perv power. Okay. First of all, I just have to say how good it smells. I'm about to get some more, because sometimes, I don't know, I feel like I don't know how to lather products sometimes. Y'all ever get that feeling that you just don't know how to lather a product? Like, it's doing a weird lather, but maybe it's okay. Maybe that's how glass skin products are supposed to work, you know? I'm not here to question anything, you know? Gel cleansers do this sometimes. This is a Peach and Lily nighttime skincare routine, but I can't resist. I have been incorporating the Peach Slices Snail Rescue Intensive Wash Off Jelly Mask into my nighttime skincare routine. And it's an absolute game changer, I'm telling you. It's like my skin loves an exfoliator in the morning and then a mask at night. I don't know. It's like my skin eats it up. Some days I'll do one or some days I'll do the other, but my best days are when I do both. So I'm going to let this sit for 15-20 minutes and I will be back. Something about this mask, y'all, it's what it does to my skin, like when it's dried, like, oh my God. Oh, okay, let's just rinse it out. Okay. Alright, that was it for our bathroom portion, and now to the salon. So I have let my face air dry. Is that weird? I feel like I'm the only person who allows their face to air dry. I just feel like it's weird to do skincare and then start scrubbing your face with a towel. Anyway, time for our Wild Dew treatment essence. I've never used essence before, so let's just put some on the hand here. It said less is more, so I did like 5 drops. Let's see. Just gonna pat it. It said pat, so I'm just gonna go ahead and pat it. Okay, nothing too crazy. Ooh, 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 ooh. Yeah, that feels good. That feels like a. Ooh, it almost feels like my favorite. Ooh, yeah. It almost kind of feels like my favorite liquid primer. Ooh, is that what essence is supposed to do? Prime your skin. Next, ooh, for I think personally my favorite portion of the skincare routine, the glass skin refining serum. Oh my God, something about a serum spout, it's just like Christmas morning to me. Let's just go in with let's see. Oh my God, oh, look. Look at that consistency. Okay, that's one whole pump, people. One whole pump. Let's just go ahead and, ooh, yeah. Yeah, let's just see how it spreads before we add more, because serums go such a long way that I swear, even with the peach slices serum, only one pump was needed. Just for shits and gigs, just because I have been with so long without a serum, I'm going to go in with like a little baby, half a pump. I know I shouldn't be touching the applicator, but it's like, my hands are clean, but it's like dripping. I hate when product drips and then dries all over the spot. You know what I mean. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna put some under the eyes, because I didn't get to get it around my eyes as much as I wanted to. Oh my god. Oh, this serum feels so good. Oh yeah, my skin feels like, can you hear? Do you hear how, like, it's really not tacky. Like, I know it kind of sounds tacky, but it's not. It's like very bouncy and like, it's tacky, but in a cool kind of fun way. So now we're gonna go in with our moisturizer, our Peach and Lily Matcha Pudding Antioxidant Cream. I've been actually like wanting to try this too. And so yeah, ooh, it's green. So, oh my goodness, I still to this day use their Slices color correcting cream. It's green like this too, and at first I didn't like it, but I grew to love it, as well as I grew to love the redness relief. Ooh, oh my god, the redness relief serum. But what just happened? What just happened? I'm so glad that I'm catching this in real time. What just happened? Hold on, I gotta get some more. So I decided to just take what was on the lid, but you know what? I'm taking all of it. Something just happened. It's different than the redness relief moisturizer in serum. Like, the redness relief moisturizer is like a color correcting, like it has this green tint to it. I really thought that this was too, but oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yo, I swear, like, I'm out of, I don't have any words right now. I'm like, my skin has never felt like this before. What is this? Like, what? I'm kind of freaking out, because like, what did I just experience? Hold on, because I'm missing a product. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is insane to me. I feel like this is an out-of-body experience almost. Look at this. Oh my god. It looks even better on a camera. That's insane. What? There's no... Where is the texture? You can't even see the... Okay, you can see a little bit of texture above my lip. That's fine. What? Lastly, but not least, definitely not least, for the nighttime skincare routine, I was debating on if I should add this Lancome Advanced Genifique Night like cream. Yeah, repairing night cream, because the matcha, that matcha antioxidant cream, unlike anything I ever experienced other than this was definitely, that matcha cream was definitely reminiscent of this Lancome night cream. I gotta be honest, I love this night cream. I've never had another cream that felt like this, like either. And it really does give me the matcha, it gives me the matcha cream like vibes. They're very similar in consistency, very similar, like it goes on light, it goes on like, I take that back, it goes on thick, but it leaves a light feel. Like, since it's a cream, such a thick cream, it feels like it's gonna be thick, but then once you kind of apply it and rub it in, you have this light, dewy, like textureless finish that is insane. And I'm upset that this is a night cream. I've got to find a day cream like this. But yeah, that was it for my nighttime routine. I'm so excited I got to unbox my Peach and Lily Glass Skin Discovery Kit. I give it a 9, like a 9 out of 10, 10 out of 10, extravagant, amazing. I'll probably never go back to peach slices unless I'm like dead broke. Like now that I've got a taste of luxurious Peach and Lily, I don't think that I'll be able to go back. Like, it's sad. My face will never be able to go back. And it's sad. I appreciate you guys so much for watching. If this video helped you like it helped me, please leave a like down below. Comment if you've ever tried any of Alicia Yoon's products or any of her stuff. Let me know what you think in the comments below. I don't know, like that. I really did love all of these products. Like, okay, the cleanser didn't foam. It didn't like foam up too much, but that's okay. Like, I'm not huge on a foamer. Like, as long as it does the work, then I'm good. As long as it cleanses, I'm good. The cleanser, the essence, the serum, the cream, all of them were just like 10 out of 10. I know you see this glow. I know you see the glow right here. I will leave it at that. And thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next video.